Hi, I'm Jen Corby, ECE coach with the DDSB, and I've been noticing a lot of people have been developing self-reg areas in their classroom. And one thing a lot of people are adding is sensory bottles and sensory balls or stress balls. And I'm going to show you an easy way to make your own stress ball using a balloon and some flour. So first you're going to want to blow up the balloon a little bit. Then you're going to want to twist the balloon so the air can't come out. And you're going to take a water bottle about halfway full of flour. And you're going to place the mouth of the balloon over the water bottle. Once you have that secure, you're going to turn your bottle upside down and let the tie out of your balloon. And you're just going to give it a little shake so that all the flour dumps into your balloon. And this is an easier way than using a funnel because the air gets in the funnel and it doesn't really fill up all the way. It will only fill up to the size of the balloon. So this gives you the option of having a bigger sensory balloon when you're done, when you do it this way. Okay, so once all the flour is in there, you're going to twist it again so that you can pull it off of your bottle. And then you're going to slowly let the air out of your balloon until all the air is gone. And then once all the air is gone, you're just going to tie it off. And voila.